Show the console we just got through with on this LX 450 or 80 series. It's got a lockable center console. It's got a place for the CB here. Nice cup holders here. Got a special feature here for security. Back here it's got removable cup holders that are indexed and they're removable. And then we got on this side, we got this side of the console here, padded armrest. Got the USB, USB-C, 12 volt for your accessories, CB speaker, and got your solar controller for the solar, fuses with extra circuits for future, master disconnect for the auxiliary battery. We've got our power outlet on the rack for anything you want to run up there. All the junctions for your electricals here. And we've got 100 watts of solar on the roof. So, looking good.